Hello everyone, this is Ines. Welcome back to my channel. So today ang pag-uusapan natin is about changes in matter. Okay, and our objective for this video is to differentiate and understand the changes in matter and know their importance in our day-to-day life. Okay, so there are two changes in matter, physical and chemical change. So ano ba yung kaibahan nitong two changes in matter? It's very easy to remember kasi it has something to do with the composition of the material after the reaction or after the process is done. So the first change that we're going to talk about is physical change. So ito yung pinakamadali because we have only to focus on the change in the form, change in the shape, and change in the state of the material. Okay, so there would be a chemical reaction, but it is a reversible chemical reaction. So in other words, it will go back to its original composition. For example, change in the state. Okay? Ano yung pwedeng example natin sa change in state? So in other words, change from solid, liquid to gas. The melting of the ice caps, that is physical change. Nagme-melt. Nagiging from solid to liquid. Okay, so we have the melting of the candle. So the wax will melt. Okay, so there's no new product form, there's no new composition, so that is physical change. Ano pa? The water cycle. Okay, so yung water nag-evaporate. After nag-evaporate, nag-condense, and then precipitation, back to water again. So in other words, from liquid, tapos nagiging gas, tapos nagiging liquid ulit. So the composition of water remains the same. Okay? So that is what is meant by change in the state. So and that is under physical change. Ano yung mga example na pwede nating maibigay dun sa change in the shape, form? So yun ang mga pinakamadali. Yun ang palagi nating na-encounter in our day-to-day life. Yung pagsaslice ng mga fruits, so the shape of the fruits will be changed. However, hindi na change yung composition. Yung pagsaslice, yung pagkakat ng papers, yun ang mga example na ginagamit natin day-to-day natin na-encounter. Okay, so yun ang mga examples ng physical change. The evidences for this are just the change in the form, change in the size, change in the state. So ito yung evidences that there is physical change. In chemical change, the composition of the material is greatly affected. In other words, after the process, there will be a new product produced. This new product will have another composition, or the composition of this new product will be different from the previous product. And in other words, the chemical reaction is irreversible. So, hindi na siya pwedeng ibalik. For example, okay, nagluto tayo in cooking. Okay, nag-fry tayo ng meat. Now, during the process ng cooking, meron yung chemical reaction. Okay? The reaction is irreversible. So, yung new product natin, yung food na nagawa natin, that's the new product. Hindi na siya pwedeng ibalik dun sa pagka-fresh meat niya. In cooking, makikita natin yung chemical change. Another example, yung kahit yung pagsaslice ng fruits, if you're going to leave your fruit on the table, tapos biglang nangingitim na yung fruit. Okay? Nagkaroon ng oxidation. So, yung pangingitim ng fruits, that is a chemical reaction. Okay? That leads to chemical change. So, in other words, after nung nangingitim yung fruits, yung oxidation na nangyayari doon, the reaction is irreversible. and there is a new product form. Ano yung product form? So yung pangingitim niya, that's the new product and it has a different chemical composition. Another example, nakikita niyo ba yung mga videos about the Coca-Cola na nilalagyan ng Mentos and all? So it has something to do with the reaction of the cola or the soda with the candy or the Mentos. Okay, it produces bubbles, it produces gas. Okay, the production of gas is an example of chemical change. Okay, so isa sa mga proof na meron siyang chemical change. Okay, so those are some of the examples of chemical change. So in our day-to-day life, maraming chemical change tayo na-encounter. Photosynthesis is one. Okay, so the production of food sa plants is the result of chemical reaction, and that is chemical change. So yun. So those are some of the examples of chemical and physical change na nakikita natin every day. I hope meron tayong natutunan today, the changes in matter, physical change and chemical change. So ano yung kaibahan ng dalawa? It has something to do with the composition of the material after the change. Okay? So, yon. So, that's it for today. Again, this is Miss Ines. Amping tanan. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so that you will be notified for new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you.